It is important to practice good bathroom hygiene. The most common types of bacteria found in any bathroom are bacteria from poo, E. coli, Streptococcus, and Salmonella. We are regularly exposed to these types of bacteria on daily basis, not just in the bathroom alone. Here is the 10 mistakes you are making in the bathroom. 1. Keeping heavy toothbrush too close to your toilet. Every time you flush, aerosolized particles from the toilet float as far as 6 feet away. That means if your toothbrush is in the particles, close the toilet lid before you flush and wash or replace your toothbrush every 3 months once. Soak your brush in antiseptic once in a week. Closed container is more conducive to the growth of microorganisms than the open air. 2. Keeping body scrubber for a longer. One study even found that bacteria such as infection-causing aeruginosa grow exponentially after 24 hours of exposure to a loofah. Synthetic mesh puffs are more prone to bacteria. You should still replace them after 8 weeks. Natural loofahs like a dried cucumber, like vegetable, can be used for the body wash. 3. Not washing your hands for a long time. Hand washing is one of the most effective things we can do to reduce the spread of infectious disease. But most of us are doing it wrong. One study found 95% of people observed spend less than 15 seconds washing their hands. It causes spending more time in the bed with the flu. 4. Using your bath towel many times. When you reuse them, the bacteria can end up? No, it will back on you. If you have any kind of wound, you may be infecting yourself. Using a towel every day individually, weekly once you should get washed. If you share with someone else, then you need to get every time cleaned. 5. Using your bathroom floor with bare foot. Your toilet seat is the dirtiest place in the bathroom. No, the bathroom floor actually most dirtiest place having most bacteria. Scrub your bathroom floor frequently or wear a pair of shower shoes to prevent infections. 6. Sitting and using your toilet wrong. Various studies extol the benefits of squatting instead of sitting while going to the bathroom. The ideal posture for defecation is the squatting position with the thighs fixed upon the abdomen. Who squatted strained less and has a less abdominal pressure, and another study found that subjects who squatted moved their bowels faster. 7. Using the same sponge for everything. Using the same sponge to clean the shower, mirrors, sink and toilet. Wrong. It causes cross-contamination. Microwaving sponges killed 99.99% of bacteria and dishwashing them killed 99.99% of bacteria. 8. Not leveling bathroom curtain. Where the shower liner hits the tub and the bathroom commode, it causes once again cross-contamination due to a long curtain or white curtains. Trim a few inches from the bottom and sides so it fits the tub perfectly without bunching. 9. Clean the face wrong way. Most experts advise that you exfoliate 1 to 2 times per week as long as your skin can handle heat. It can also cause us irritation because you are removing the top layer of the skin before it can heal. 10. Wiping, not washing. Wiping will result in an accumulation of fecus around the anus. It is loaded with bacteria and moisture. If left to hang out in the recesses of your butt, will wage a full-out assault on your skin, which could lead to irritation. One should also pat dry the area after washing. This way there will be no fecus left behind, and wiping it after washing will make your genitals stay dry.